Welcome to Veco Vibe. In today's video, we'll explore the journey of getting your baby to sleep on their own. We know that sleepless nights can be challenging for both parents and baby, but we're here to provide support and proven techniques to help your little one sleep through the night. So, let's dive in and learn how to create a peaceful and restful environment for the whole family. As a parent, it's natural to want the best for your baby, and that includes a good night's sleep. We'll cover the science behind baby sleep, various sleep training methods, and natural remedies and techniques to establish healthy sleep habits. We'll also discuss how to cope with sleep training challenges and create a positive bedtime routine for your family. 1. Understanding baby sleep. To help your baby sleep on their own, it's important to first understand their sleep patterns and needs. Babies have different sleep cycles than adults, and their sleep patterns change as they grow. Newborns tend to sleep in short bursts throughout the day and night, while older babies gradually begin to sleep for longer stretches. By 3 to 4 months, many babies can sleep for 5 hours or more at night, but some may still wake up frequently. It's important to recognize that each baby is unique, and their sleep patterns may vary. However, by understanding your baby's natural sleep rhythms and creating a consistent sleep environment, you can help them learn to sleep on their own. Babies need a dark, quiet, and comfortable sleep environment to encourage restful sleep. This means keeping the room at a comfortable temperature, using blackout curtains to block out light, and minimizing noise. You can also use white noise machines or soft music to help soothe your baby and signal that it's time for sleep. 2. Sleep training methods. Sleep training is a process that teaches babies to fall asleep independently and self-soothe when they wake up at night. There are several sleep training methods that parents can choose from, depending on their parenting style and baby's temperament. Some popular methods include the Ferber method, the cry it out method, and the gentle, no tears approach. The Ferber method, or graduated extinction, involves putting your baby down when they're drowsy but awake, and then leaving the room. If your baby cries, you'll wait for progressively longer intervals before going back in to briefly comfort them. The cry it out method is similar, but parents don't return to the room at all, allowing the baby to learn to self-soothe. The no tears approach, on the other hand, focuses on more gradual, gentle techniques to help your baby learn to sleep independently. It's important to choose a sleep training method that aligns with your parenting style and feels right for your family. No matter which method you choose, consistency is key. Stick to your chosen approach and be patient, as it may take some time for your baby to adjust to the new routine. 3. Natural remedies and techniques. In addition to sleep training methods, there are many natural remedies and techniques that can help your baby sleep on their own. These include creating a calming bedtime routine, using aromatherapy, and offering a soothing bedtime snack. A consistent bedtime routine can help signal to your baby that it's time to sleep. This may include a warm bath, gentle massage, reading a book, or singing lullabies. Aromatherapy, such as using lavender essential oil in a diffuser, can also help create a calming atmosphere for sleep. Offering your baby a soothing bedtime snack, such as warm milk or cereal, can help them feel full and content before sleep. Just be sure to consult with your pediatrician before introducing any new foods to your baby's diet. 4. Establishing healthy sleep habits. Creating healthy sleep habits is essential for helping your baby sleep on their own. This includes establishing a consistent sleep schedule, teaching your baby the difference between day and night, and encouraging independent play during the day. Try to keep your baby's sleep schedule consistent, including naps and bedtime, to help regulate their internal clock. To help your baby distinguish between day and night, keep daytime activities bright and lively, and nighttime activities calm and quiet. Encouraging independent play during the day can also help your baby develop the skills they need to self-soothe and sleep independently at night. Provide a safe and engaging play area for your baby to explore and practice their developing motor skills. 5. Coping with sleep training challenges. Sleep training can be an emotional and challenging process for both parents and baby. It's important to be patient, consistent, and emotionally supportive throughout the process. Recognize that setbacks are normal and that it may take time for your baby to adjust to their new sleep routine. If you're struggling with sleep training, try reaching out to other parents for emotional support and advice. Parenting forums, social media groups, and local meetups can be great resources for connecting with other parents who are going through the same challenges. Remember to take care of yourself during this time as well. Prioritize your own self-care, such as taking a relaxing bath or going for a walk, to help manage stress and maintain your own mental and emotional well-being. 6. Conclusion. In conclusion, getting your baby to sleep on their own is a journey that requires patience, understanding, and emotional support. By exploring various sleep training methods, natural remedies, and establishing healthy sleep habits, you can help your baby develop the skills they need to sleep independently. Remember that each baby is unique, and it may take time to find the right approach for your family. With consistency and love, your baby will eventually learn to sleep on their own, providing both you and your little one with the rest you need and deserve. Thank you for joining Veco Vibe on this journey. We hope these techniques and insights will help your family achieve a more restful and peaceful sleep. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful and engaging content.